morning class. So today we are starting the address chapter. In previous video I described about the characters, I described about the summary. Now I am going to discuss about the narrator's visit. As I already described that the mother of narrator was passed away during war, and now narrator is recalling about those days which she spent along with his mother in her old house, means in Poland. So now she is coming back to visit her old house. So I will tell you one more thing. When the mother of the narrator was leaving the country, at the time she told her about the address, that the address is Marconi Street number 46. If you will feel any problem, you can come and contact to Mrs. Dolring. So now she is coming on the same address. She just knocked the door. So what reply did she get, or what response did she get there? The woman held her hand on the door as though she wanted to prevent it opening any further. When she knocked the door, a woman came outside and she did not open the door completely. And her face gave no sign of recognition at all. Narrator tried to tell her that I am daughter of Mrs. S. But she said that I do not recognize you, who you are. So she kept staring at the narrator silently. But she was staring at the narrator silently. After that, the narrator thought that she was perhaps mistaken. Perhaps she was not the same woman she had seen her years ago for a moment only. Perhaps she had rung the wrong bell. So now you can see that the narrator thought that perhaps I came on wrong address and this is not the same woman with whom I met only for few seconds or few minutes with my mother. So she is thinking about it, that she came on wrong address. But right then what happened? But then the narrator looked at the dress the woman was wearing. She was wearing the green knitted cardigan that her mother used to wear. Now right then, the narrator of the story saw towards the lady. The lady was wearing the green cardigan, and that cardigan was knitted by her mother. She came to know that this is the cardigan of my mother. The wooden buttons had become pale from washing. The woman saw that the narrator was looking at the cardigan and half hid herself behind the door. The girl now knew that she had come to the right place. Now, after watching it, the narrator became sure that she is at right address. But Mrs. Dolring was a very cunning lady. She came to know that narrator is looking towards the cardigan. She just tried to hide herself behind the door. So this happened in the first visit of the narrator, and she refused to recognize her. After that, narrator went away from there. But after some time she thought again that I should go back once more there, and she came. So there is also described second visit of the narrator. Now in this heading you will find what happened in the second visit of the narrator. This is given. After her first visit in vain to Mrs. Dolring house, the narrator decided to try second time. Actually, first visit of the narrator was completely useless. She could not enter in the house. But now she decided to come back again at the same address. Now a girl of about 15 opened the door to her again when she came at the same address, and she knocked the door. The woman, the daughter of the woman, means daughter of Mrs. Dolring, opened the door, and she was the girl of 15 years. The narrator asked her if her mother was at home. Narrator asked her if her mother was at her home. So she replied, mother is not at home. So, no matter, said the narrator, I will wait for her. And the narrator said that there is no problem, I will wait for her. The narrator followed the girl into the house, and the narrator followed the girl into the house, and she looked all around in the house the things which was given by her mother to Mrs. Doldring, all things were arranged in the tasteless way in the house. So she was very disturbed to see this sight inside the house, and at last, what did she decide? This is given. She resolved to forget the address. She went away from there and she decided to forget the address of all. She decided to forget about the address. So this is given in this story. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.